Unleash the power of data to revolutionize your business in 2023. Discover how data insights can enhance customer satisfaction and boost revenue in this captivating video. Harnessing sales data for business growth. Data analytics revolutionizes business growth, leveraging sales to uncover trends and target valuable customers. Enhancing customer satisfaction with data analytics. Customer data like purchase history, preferences, and feedback help businesses understand their customers' needs and preferences. Measuring customer satisfaction metrics. Successful companies like Netflix have mastered the art of utilizing information-driven business strategies to continually improve their products and services. Enhancing supply chain management. Analytics identifies supply chain management, enabling targeted strategies to reduce delays, enhance efficiency, and streamline operations. Cultivating a data-driven culture. This involves fostering a mindset that values stats, encourages data literacy, and promotes decision-making throughout the organization. Selecting suitable data analytics tools and techniques. Analyzing data is important to recognize the accessibility to your business and the potential value of proper utilization. Embrace the power of data analytics, and watch your business soar to new heights. For more information, check out our blog,